Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable gift cards as payment on Wix. So first head over to wix.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next in the left panel, scroll down, then click on settings. Next from the settings page, scroll down and under business solutions section, click on checkout. Now from the checkout page, scroll down and you should look for payments section. From here, you can see gift cards. This will let customers pay for their orders with the gift card. And all you have to do is toggle this on. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!